That's a good fucking pull, Silas.
Lucas drop back. Go backwards, Lucas.
Lucas, pitch in. Left, Lucas. That's you, Lars. I saw Tino touch it. It's a D.
Put it on the stat sheet.
I got you. Don't do anything, it's popping! Simon and John Luke coming in! Simon, wait!
Hey, get it back!
Just keep him!
You get that. Nothing up line! No up line! Lucas, pinch in.
Jack tight! Elias! Put your head up! Let's go, Floyd!
No out, James, no out. Wrap, James, wrap. Come on, Richard. Go, Jackson. See Nate. Yep.
All day, you got time.
Yes, sir.
See Nate.
Yes, shot. 6.
Yeah. Come on, Will, run, Will. Hustle, Will. Let's go, work.
Will, he's slow.
It's up.
Wow.
No.
Get in there.
Is flight U20?
Yes.
Or someplace in 17.
Okay. For in Charlotte?
Atlanta.
In Atlanta. Okay.
He's up with the club team.
And then feeds up to the ATLians. Yeah. We've played them many times.
It's a very fancy truck.
Thank you. Got it yesterday.
Alright, it looks very new.
Ready, you're in.
So will y'all be in Colorado in August? Nice.
Take off. Find the person. Good.
Elias, see!
No, Kino, we're in, Kino.
Elias, switch to 16!
Take off.
There we go, full coming in 3, 2.
Silent.
We are backhand. Up.
Hey, they're man, they're man.
He's not a thrower!
Come on!
So if you so if you can change it to distance. So basically, all I'm saying is you do not want to
Good morning. Oh yeah. Good morning. Hey there.
Jules out of Chihuahua.
Super dingy. You know, there's always going to be a difference between photos and real life, but it was really different.
Nice, Richard.
So we're just kind of not into this, actually. We're going to go with the apartment. It's in long hair and valet trash and all of that sort of stuff is included in an extra $50. We're on the second floor, yeah. So our stairs is literally at the top of the staircase, so we just walk up and start. It makes it a whole lot more convenient to moving in and stuff.
Go Tim, go Tim, come on Tim!
Yeah, Lucas! Yes!
I saw Cam touch it. It's a D.
Go backhand! Backhand! Backhand home!
No up line here, Connor. No up line. Seal. Yes, like that. David, you can tighten up. David, tighten up.
All under.
Side round.
Up.
Side round. Inside.
Run, Kino!
Go, Kino.
Run, Kino! Get Kino!
Not wanting him to go so many times.
Pretty far. Yeah, we
Good.
excited, like, you know, he was playing baseball.
It's like his second game at this point, and they just
And he started coming out with more flight stuff, and it was like, he said, yeah, I'm getting serious about this, and he's working.
It's a good team. I dig this team.
Oh, I do too. I like, you know, it's such a good experience, and I've always
Good
used
unit.
it, so, you know, being able to have more time on Friday is great.
Yeah. Have you bought your airline tickets yet? Well, I guess Kurt hasn't.
He hasn't announced the roster.
Oh, the roster.
Get him, Will.
Oh, Will! Yeah, baby!
Yeah, Will!
Oh my gosh.
that was crazy.
That kid's 3 feet tall!
I believe it. He's 9 years old.
Hey, that's our team.
I want to play.
Up! Yeah!
Oh, that's it.
Let's go, Roman! Yeah!
All right.
I'm not touching it.
I mean, it's only 2 months away, so it's not long. You know, although I've never had any trouble getting rooms or
You told me you were going to eat ranch items.
flights. And I looked the other day, and there's boats available.
Yeah, I booked the room already, and I'll wait until he sends out the flight info.
I think the rooms, when I looked at them, there was like a significant price difference for refundable versus not.
Yeah.
So I was like,
You're gonna wait?
not totally comfortable looking at non-refundable, but it's like a $50 a day difference.
Yeah.
Enough of it. But I played her significantly deeper, and she almost got me again, hit to the same spot but shorter, so I had to come up again.
Nice.
You know, if you've got somebody with a decent arm and they coming off the bat though.
Oh yeah. I played first base, and I mean it was.
Some of the pro guys have exit velocities of 100 miles an hour. And if you're a pitcher, like if they hit you in the forehead, you're gonna die. So, yeah,
Holy shit.
Go. Not about to retire or go pro or anything.
yeah, exactly.
I'm just having fun. And if I can have fun without
Well, if you do
cutting into the wallet,
I mean, if you break even,
that's winning, right?
you're enjoying it.
Absolutely. That's how I see it.
Ah, Belias!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he totally went the wrong way.
Oh.
Heads up, guys.
Oh, okay.
We
Fucking eye black. So sick. Let's go, Pablo. Here you go, Jonas.
Darky White, let's go.
Hey, Austin. If you get...
Do we have halftime yet in this game?
I don't know they have. I'm kind of surprised by that. We've been playing for quite a while.
We have.
Anybody's everybody.
Yes, we have. I switched out the battery.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember there was a timeout,
Yeah.
which I thought was right before halftime, and so that's what I get for not paying attention. Yeah, we've been there 2 months. It's still a work in progress. Just got my signage last week. And it's really nice, and I like it. And the guy that runs the place did the signs for me. He emailed me. He was like, "Hey, I went by your place at Bust, and I just wanted to see how the lights looked." And it was like the one on the side. So we're in a corner unit, so we've got front.
Ooh, what a dude! Gosh.
We got front, back, and side. And he's like, the side wasn't on. It's probably like a photovoltaic side, so those go bad sometimes. And I'll just come out and switch it. I came out and he looked at it and I said, "Okay, well, I don't quite understand why they did this, but." Like the little pieces of vinyl that match the color of the cabinet that you attach on the outside of the footer. It's like all the equipment got back. I'm like, what's going on here, man?
Right.
It's like, what do you mean? I'm like, I'm a footer. All right, I'll be there in an hour. He came out and looked at it. He's like, yep, I'm going to take care of it. So supposedly I'm not going to have to call anybody else. Supposedly he's going to fix it for me.
Good luck.
Yeah, we'll
Good
see.
luck.
Well, this is a guy, like, he's not. He's not the guy that would normally fix this stuff. He's kind of just the guy that's in charge, but he said he's going to take care of it. Ooh. I got answers for it. I went and looked at that one, and he was like, I had some, after I saw it, I was like, hey, I need to know these things before I would consider it. And then he just disappeared for like 3 months.
Months.
Yeah. And so then I hired a.
Meanwhile, clock's ticking.
Yeah. Well, and we had like a non-binding. It's almost like an agreement with a realtor. You sign. You say, I'm not going to use anybody else.
Ooh, yeah.
All right.
So we had